Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Talks. We have Tanaya with us today. Tanaya is running her business right now and she's an avid traveler and a trekker. So, Tanaya, I would like to ask you how you manage time for travel along with your business right now.
Uh, Thanks, Nanika, for the short introduction. But just so my business, as in it's my family business, I just took over the business. Still learning, understanding the business. I have had experience as a in a corporate job, and that's very different. And to answer your question, I think right now I find it a little bit difficult because it's very beginning stage for me in the business, and I'm still learning to take time out to travel. But I'm pretty sure as I settle into the business, I'll have more free time to travel and trek more.
So, so I think traveling along with corporate job was easier for you. मतलब उस
Yeah,
time
yeah, yeah, because अभी तो I'm learning a lot. मतलब it I very मतलब understood after joining the business that टू मेनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज कॉर्पोरेट में ऐसा होता है कि एक बार आप लैपटॉप बंद कर दो तो काम खत्म हो गया बट इन बिजनेस लाइक यू कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप गेटिंग कॉल्स एंड स्टफ एंड देन यू हैव सर्टेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज टुवर्ड्स योर एम्प्लॉयज ऑल्सो एंड अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो सो अभी तो डिफिकल्ट है थोड़ा सा कॉर्पोरेट में इट वाज लिटिल बिट इजी कि इनफैक्ट द एचआर वुड पुश यू कि अरे तुम्हारी छुट्टियां बाकी हैं, अभी ले लो छुट्टियां करके नहीं तो सारी लैब्स हो जाएगी इन स्टफ
एंड लाइक यू गो फॉर ट्रैकिंग ऑल्सो तो ट्रैकिंग के टाइम पे तो फोन नेटवर्क नहीं होता तब इशू नहीं होता.
सो अभी के लिए कैसा है कि बिकॉज माई फादर इज ऑल्सो हियर एंड ही हैज नॉट येट कम्प्लीटली स्टेप्ड आउट ऑफ द बिजनेस ही इज ऑल्सो देयर ट्रेनिंग मी एंड गाइडिंग मी तो अभी वो होता है तो अभी उतना इशू नहीं होता ऑल्सो व्हाट आई रियलाइज इज माई फादर इज ऑल्सो अ ट्रैकर एंड अ ट्रैवलर एंड ही इवन दो व्हेन आई वाज नॉट देयर in the whole picture of business he would do it more often and because I think एक बार अगर तुम बिजनेस अच्छे से सेट कर लो ना उसको एक बार तुम उसमें सेटल हो जाओ यू हैव सम रिस्पॉन्सिबल पीपल देयर आई थिंक देन यू गेट मोर टाइम ऑन हैंड टू डू ऑल द हॉबीज एंड अदर एक्टिविटीज तो अभी के लिए तो डैड इज हियर सो आई डोंट हैव टू वरी दैट मच कि इफ आई एम नॉट आंसरिंग और इफ आई एम नॉट रीचेबल समथिंग वेरी बैड समथिंग would happen and I'm not there so.
And so you recently visited KGL. Did the
Yeah.
KGL trek? कैसा था वो?
केजल बहुत मजेदार रहा मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से ज्यादा एंड आई टेल यू व्हाई बिकॉज द मोमेंट आई बुक केजल पीपल वर लाइक कि नो डूड इट्स वेरी क्राउडेड एंड इट्स वेरी डर्टी एंड मतलब आधी दुनिया तो उधर जाती है but then still I did it anyways but it is the most beautiful trek I mean amazing views and Kashmir is called heaven for a reason and I saw that reason it is a little bit crowded it is a little bit difficult also if you're carrying your own backpack and stuff but if you're planning to offload it then it's a piece of cake.
Okay. And your pictures, I mean, in the Instagram, like vouched for whatever you said about the trek.
Yeah.
It's amazing, so beautiful. And KGL was which that was your like which trek? Like you have done how many treks before?
I think 4 to 5 treks I would say matlab worth counting.
And which one was the best?
I can't pick one. I would say Harkidun was the best because it was my first trek. I mean, first trek is always memorable, but every trek has given me its own experiences and has its own beauty. Like the trek that we met, Sandakfu, I think it was more beautiful because we got to see different culture. Because we were staying in their homestays and stuff so that was beautiful and I liked it for a different reasons and KGL I liked it for different reason and Harkidun because it was my first trek and Himalayan trek so that I liked for different reasons so can't pick one.
That's also there. And like best place or something you have visited apart from trek, like best memory or best travel memory.
तो बेस्ट ट्रैवल मेमोरी तो अभी देखो आई नो दिस इज नॉट समथिंग लाइक वेरी फैंसी थिंग टू आंसर बट आई थिंक Goa has always given me like the best trips,
Okay.
best memories because yeah, I mean it's a very you don't have to plan a lot around it, because to go, I mean, it just happens. And then I
Hmm.
think I like road trips also.
Oh,
So I think the one where I first time I we did a road trip and I drove. I think I really like that, because it gave me like I enjoyed the drive.
nice. I also want to go for a road trip. Like it's my list, but I haven't done like
Okay.
I've like not drove myself, but gone with
हम्म.
others, but not drove. So
हाँ,
recently I have learned
मजा
bike.
आता है.
अभी तो बाइक सीखा है, कार भी सीखा है, अब देखते हैं कब मैं ड्राइव करके लेके
काम करो,
जाऊंगी.
प्लान करो, यहाँ आ जाओ. Then we can go together.
Good.
Alan is also here. Every
And
like
then it's
we
also
can
true.
plan.
We'll plan. And your dream destination?
हाँ, अभी के लिए तो मेरे लिस्ट में लद्दाख है. लाइक आई आई वांट टू, मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ जैन दिसंबर में, ये तो जाना ही है. एंड अदर प्लेसेस, आई वांट टू सी द नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स आल्सो.
हाँ.
दैट इज देयर. या, दो चीजें तो है अभी लिस्ट पे.
Nice. And any and next travel plan? So you are planning for Ladakh right now, or something
या
other is coming up in between Ladakh?
in between. In between there will be a quick Goa trip. Like it's like every year मत्था टेकने जाता है हम लोग वहाँ पे.
Nice.
Because it's so quickly that Goa group is fixed. Like they will, with them I have to do at least one trip in a year.
Okay.
So we're planning it in September last week or October first week. So it's gonna be like a quick 4 day trip. Four
Nice.
5 day trip. Yeah.
Perks of living in Pune.
Yeah.
And so any worst travel experience you had, like some
Very recent, in fact. And that was in Kashmir.
okay.
So I booked this place in Gulmarg. So I prefer staying in hostels,
Uh-huh.
because if you're traveling solo, I mean, hotel rooms
Uh,
get really low.
yeah.
So hostels, and then Gulmarg, I just saw one hostel which was zoo.
Okay.
And I booked the place, and like a good girl, I called them 4 days prior, ki main aa rahi hu, like my booking is still there now. So that woman answered like, yeah, आप आ जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ऐसा वैसा. So I reached there, and then like 7 guys sitting in front of me and then staring at me like, what the hell are you talking about? This is not a hostel. So, but then they said that, who did you talk to? So I said there was this woman, and मैंने उनसे बात की, तो बोले कि अरे वो हॉस्टल बंद कर दिया हमने, अभी ये होटल बन चुका है. इन गुलमर्ग hotels are very costly, like super prices are very high. So they said that since you have already done the booking and we don't have many guests, I mean they did not have literally any guests, so we can give you a room. And they gave me one room which was still in the like हॉस्टल का ही उसका लेआउट था. मतलब जैसे कि हॉस्टल के इसमें कुंडी वगैरह नहीं होती है ना अंदर के दरवाजे में, यू नॉट अलाउड टू लॉक द रूम. सो ऐसा कुछ सीन था उनका. एंड द वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, अभी तो चालू नहीं हुआ है. देयर वाज दिस वन गाय, ही हेल्प मी कैरी माय लगेज, एंड देन ही वाज लाइक कि अच्छा सुनो, आपको ना यहाँ पे किसी भी चीज की जरूरत हो ना तो मुझे बताना, किसी और को मत बताना. लाइक एवरी टिपिकल वेटर, लाइक दे वांट टू गाइड की जरूरत हो तो मुझे बताना. मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है. But after that point, he started getting so creepy. Like every time he used to see me around, he like कि डर लग रहा है, डरना नहीं है, मैं हूँ. Like he used to keep saying that thing. And when I was having my dinner, he stood and he's staring at me and he's like, डर लग रहा है, डरो मत, मैं हूँ. I was like, what the fuck? Now I'm seriously scared. And then I was that there was nobody else in that hotel room. Like I was the only person, and then I was really scared that night. I couldn't sleep the whole night because this guy came and slept right next to the room, and the washroom was outside because they gave me that hostel wala room. So every time I would step out, he would be like, "उठ गए आप, डरना मत." So it was very scary, and I had very bad night. I mean, the first thing I did in the morning was I packed my bag and I just left from there.
अरे वो ऐसे कह रहा है इसलिए और डर लगे.
और ज्यादा डर लग रहा था, right?
Maybe he's pranking or something, or he was
I
serious.
don't know, probably even he was trying to make me comfortable because there was nobody else in the. But then it got really creepy.
So, like you travel solo so much. So, how is the experience of traveling solo? Like, do you like it, or what you don't like about it?
हाँ, So not liking part is obviously like you have to plan a lot around it.
Yeah.
कि कहाँ मतलब एटलीस्ट आई डू बिकॉज कि अगर मैं जा रही हूँ तो ऐसे कि अरे हाँ मुझे कहाँ से बस मिलेगी क्या करना होगा बिकॉज यू कांट डू प्राइवेट कैब्स एंड टैक्सीज व्हेन यू ट्रैवलिंग विद योर फ्रेंड्स यू कैन शेयर लाइक अगर 5,000 भी बोल दे तो तुम शेयर कर लेते हो यार 4-5 जन होते हो like when you're traveling solo you can't do that so yeah that is one thing like you know traveling by public transports and plan a lot around it so वो एक चीज है.
And any tips for like girls who travel solo? So you, how do you?
Yeah. I mean, हर एक की अपनी चॉइस होती है and people and some girls are really I mean brave. I'm not that as brave. So मेरे कुछ rules है कि I prefer not traveling at night. Like you know late at night अगर यहाँ से वहाँ transfer है तो I'll do it early in the morning like I'll start at 5 if I have to but I'll not do it at night and second thing I would say this is what I have learned talk to people यार I mean पहले मैं बहुत डरती थी you know कि क्या मतलब how do I what if I ask something and then but then I think more you talk to people more friendly they get and then they really help you out so talk to people डरना नहीं so yeah try traveling as much as with public transport.
That's there. मतलब public transport is the cheapest, मतलब best
and safest I think.
Safest also.
And I also feel when you travel by public transport, I mean traveling just in cab, like sitting in cab and getting down in destination and you know clicking photos and it will not give you the feel of that city. You know, when you travel by public transport, you will know the people, you'll get the feel of the city. So it's a very different experience altogether.
And any place you would like to suggest कि यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए? बढ़िया है.
यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए. Like if you are like very spiritually inclined, तो मैं कहूँगी कि go to उत्तराखंड. Like I know mountains are mountains, हिमाचल में भी मिलेंगे, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में भी मिलेंगे, कश्मीर में भी मिलेंगे. But I think Uttarakhand has that some spiritual energy. So if you are spiritually inclined, I think Uttarakhand is the place you need to visit.
It's there, मतलब obviously all the चार धाम यात्रा.
Yeah. Apart from the temples and all, also like if you, I don't know, I like it's there, it's in the air, I guess. मतलब,
yeah, Uttarakhand and Himachal both are different. Although both मतलब बगल में है और nearby state, but you go to Uttarakhand, it will have different vibe and energy, and Himachal has its own different vibe and energy. Yeah. So,
and if you're like party animal or anything, then I would say that you know Himachal is very nice because then you have places like Dharamkot and Kasol and
cafes and sort of late night things. And so how do you plan your travel itinerary? Like do you have anything special while planning your itinerary?
Special तो ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है but I first start with you know seeing the cheapest flights कि between which dates I get the cheapest flights so then that's how I decide the dates then after that start look for the places that I want to go then there is lot of watching vlogs and seeing websites and you know where do I want to go then search for hostels or in that location then see how can I go do I have to you know do a private cab or from where can I get a share cab so that's there and then get in touch with the you know there are a lot of solo travelers and vloggers who do that I sometimes get in touch with them to ask them that I'm traveling would you recommend something you know particularly so that I did for Northeast also.
Okay, so you go through all the blogs and you know have that recommendation list and like things.
Not the I try to find out where I want to go but at least like you know just see what's there and you know like what can I don't really, so I'm not very much into going into tourist destinations and stuff so मतलब most of my trips recently have been like trek of 8 days and then 4 days of just sightseeing and hanging around in the city or the village nearby so that's how most of my trips are looking like very in the past few months.
Nice. जो ट्रैक के बगल में places होते हैं ना those villages are really very pretty though not the you know ये कि ये touristy होता है normally touristy places are so much crowded actually.
very crowded. And nowadays, you know what has happened is कि पहले ऐसा होता था कि तुम अगर suppose you go to where can I say, for example Sikkim, you go there and तो तुम्हें वहाँ की चीजें like you know you'll get only there, वहाँ की चीजें खाने मिलेगी. Now also you get, but now because of tourism you'll get other things also, like वो तुम्हें राजस्थानी भी ऑफर कर देंगे, वो तुम्हें गुजराती भी ऑफर कर लेंगे. This year I'll tell you, in Kashmir I really wanted, I was in the northest like of India right now in Kashmir, and then just to try it out I had South Indian in Kashmir this time and it's tough.
Yeah, like सब जगह इडली सांभर मिलेगा. And some anything best food, like cultural food you had somewhere which was very nice or amazing?
क्या खाया है मैंने, अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है, बट अभी मुझे एकदम रिसेंटली याद आ रहा है जो मैंने मटन खाया था, वाजवान खाया था, तो आई रियली लाइक दैट इन कश्मीर.
Okay.
एंड या दैट कि जब भी हम ट्रैक के बाद आते हैं ना, एंड देन वी हैव दैट फूड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फूड दैट वी गेट ड्यूरिंग द ट्रैक, तो वो खाने में मजा ही आ जाता है मुझे. मतलब लाइक व्हाटएवर यू सर्व मी, इट्स लाइक द बेस्ट मील आई हैव एवर हैड.
ट्रैक के बाद तो ऐसा होता है कि मतलब अब आ गए वापस, ठीक है. There is this feeling कि अब there is this one feeling, I have this one feeling कि अरे ये तो खत्म हो गया. मतलब ट्रैक जब थोड़ा सा खत्म होने से थोड़ा सा पहले आई एम लाइक कि अब ये कि मुझे ये देखना है और अब जाना है करके, और हो गया.
लाइक
जब समिट बेस कैंप पे आ जाओ तब ऐसा लगता है अरे ये तो खत्म हो गया, अब कल से चालू. वो फीलिंग अजीब है मतलब.
हाँ, बट ना आई रिमेम्बर टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, अब मुझे याद आया उत्तराखंड में उनका ना एक रेड राइस होता है.
हाँ.
तो हाँ, वो रेड राइस के साथ जो राजमा होता है ना, वो बहुत अच्छे लगता है मुझे.
हाँ. मैंने हिमाचल में खाया है आई गेस उनका राइस चावल, वो भी थोड़ा मतलब देयर राइस थोड़ा मोटा होता है.
हाँ.
वहां पे आई गेस खाया था मैंने. उत्तराखंड में तो नहीं खाया अभी तक. एंड कल्चरली सबसे बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस कुछ रहा हो?
कल्चरली सबसे बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस रहा हो मेरा, आई थिंक राजस्थान में आई रियली एंजॉयड, आई वुड से राजस्थान ओनली, क्योंकि मतलब वी स्टेड विद द फैमिली देयर. मैं उस वक्त मेरे फैमिली के साथ गई थी, and surprisingly my family was very open towards doing it. Staying at the homestay, normally like they would book the hotels and stuff, but yeah, राजस्थान में वो जो उन्होंने फिर घर पे खाना बना के दिया था and then other things, so I really like that in Rajasthan.
Nice. And so I saw this, like you have done surfing also. So where did you do it? How was the experience?
In Goa, I did it in Goa in Arambur. So that year it was on my like bucket list that I want to learn surfing it, and I did. But now I want to take it to the next level. So at least now I know how to get on the board and balance and surf, but like little bit twists and turns and that I want to learn now. So
you're planning to do it. So there will be this certification courses or something on that.
There might be, but I just I mean it's very easy if you really are into it. You can learn it in 15 minutes also, and it can take like good 1-2 weeks also for you to learn it. So it depends how good you are at. I mean, how quickly you learn. So I didn't do any certification. I think I just took some tips on the first day, and then I used to rent the surfboard and try it myself.
Okay, you did it like that. I thought you did some 4-day, 5-day course or something on that.
No, it was not a course. So one day, I remember one day the guy taught me. I mean, it was a surfing school only. So I asked him before booking that how many days. So he said, अरे कोई नहीं, कोई 15 मिनट में भी सीख जाता है, और आपके ऊपर होता है कि कैसे सीखते हैं. But then once you get a hang of it, like it takes 1.5 hours to you to get a hang of it, and then after that it's pretty much कि तुम थोड़ा खुद का दिमाग लगा के कर लो तो वो आ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
So then after that he used to just give me the board on the rent, and then I used to try.
Nice. So you know swimming?
Yeah.
तभी तो I'll be मतलब I am learning swimming right now. I get
Okay.
scared in like 7 feet water पे मेरा तो ऐसा लगता है कि यार
अरे but then you
मैं
can always wear that life jacket. Now you don't drown anyways. I mean, in surfing because
still I'm
you can do it in the shallow, little bit shallow water.
okay. And so what do you like most, beaches or mountains?
I can't pick one. I mean, I have love for beaches. They make me instantly happy. Something just but I walk on the sand and it makes me happy.
Uh-huh.
And mountains give me peace. So can't pick one.
Okay. And any lesson you have learned while traveling, like something traveling has taught you?
I think every time I travel after that, I'm a very evolved person. I feel whatever happens during the trip, be it actually I used to be not very talkative kind of person, like very much dependent kind of a person. But now I think I've started believing in my own skills more ever since I've traveled, and a little bit confidence has become a little bit confident. So yeah. Also now I'm more comfortable with my own thoughts. I mean, I'm not scared. Like, normally you have that कि अरे अकेले लोग बोर हो जाते हैं and they don't know what to do. They constantly need someone. So now that's not there. So I'm fine. ऐसा है.
Do you have any do you use any travel app or technology to make your planning or something easier?
So while particularly, like I would say, I used so for trekking I would suggest that I always use All Trails. So I always download the offline map in case something happens, you get parted from the group, so at least you have the route from where you came in, and it's there. That I use one. Then second is to book the hostels. I always use hostel world. I mean world. It's not news. But yeah, these two apps I use quite often.
Which app did you set for the this trekking wala thing?
All Trails.
All Trails. Nice.
All Trails. It's a paid app, but there are also quite a few like free apps which you can use. I have one more. I forgot the name of it. It's a DG something something. I forgotten, but I can message you or put in the comments some other.
Okay. I actually didn't know this. I just know I just pick finder so that you can locate the pics.
हाँ, पिक फाइंडर, या दैट आल्सो आई यूज, बट उसके लिए फिर वो थोड़ा सा तामझाम करना पड़ता है पिक फाइंडर के लिए. लास्ट टाइम मैंने किया था बट वो चला नहीं. इट वाज गिविंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एरर, तो फिर वो मैंने यूज करना बंद कर दिया. देन आई यूज द गाइड्स एज पिक फाइंडर.
And so how do you practice responsible or sustainable travel?
तो ये मतलब कोई नई चीज नहीं है. बेसिक सी है कि यू डोंट लिटर अराउंड, एंड फॉर अदर थिंग व्हिच आई डू follow very personally is that I really do respect the culture and the way of living of the people without having any judgments. That's one thing.
Nice.
Yeah. So मतलब जैसे कि you going to a place where they are little bit not that exposed to the city life, then I would personally make sure that I am dressed in a way that won't offend them. I mean there then I don't think कि मेरी मर्जी में जो पहनो वो पहनो, but I just don't want to make anybody feel uncomfortable. So that's that.
We should respect them.
Yeah. And I think when you do that, they also respect you back. So this is very recent incident that happened in Kashmir. So we went to this dargah, and it was late, and then उनका वो अजान होता है वो चालू हो गया, and then though we were not inside the dargah, I took over the scarf on my head, and so this girl, she comes to me and she is like thank you for respecting it. I mean कुछ मेरे दोस्त है वो भी नहीं करते, मुझे उनको बताना पड़ता है, but आपने किया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And the other ladies there, they also started talking to me कि कहाँ से हो क्या हो. So then I realized कि अरे यार मतलब it's very important to give respect to other cultures as well.
And to end this episode, any tip you have for the audience or something you want to tell them about travel?
मैं बोलूँगी कि यार जब भी टाइम मिले, टाइम नहीं मिलता है, टाइम निकालना पड़ता है, it requires some sort of commitment. So yeah, do it. I mean, it will really make you realize a lot of things about yourself. And yeah, मतलब time निकालो, टाइम मिलेगा कि वेट मत करो.
हाँ, that's the time कभी मिलता ही नहीं है. You have to just
Yeah.
make your plan work out somehow.
And
मतलब कैसे भी
if
करके.
your friends are not coming, just do it. I mean, yourself. You will make new friends.
Yeah.
Like I met you.
Yeah.